Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be looking at replication, recovery, and application health concepts from an OpenShift perspective. So in the first case, what we're going to do is we're going to scale our application. So right now, when we look at the topology view of our app, and we take a look, we see that it's running one pod and one pod only. So we would have the ability to go ahead and scale that pod this way, but we're going to use, in the first place, the command line just to get kind of comfortable with that idea. We're going to go ahead and scale the application and give it 4 replicas total. Scalability is obviously a big part of microservices, a big part of working with Kubernetes, and a big part of working with OpenShift. So we can actually see as we pull that up that it is actually in the process of creating those 4 pods, and because it's working off of an image, it happens very quickly. What we should also be able to see, though, in a pinch is to be able to take a look after deleting one of these pods. We have to actually catch it because it usually starts to recover pretty quickly. We should be able to take and just delete one of these pods out. And as soon as it hands back our terminal, it does take a second for it to do that. We should be able to go ahead and take a look at the pods and see where they are right now. So we'll do OC get pods, and it's already back to having 4 running. And we should be able to also confirm that here. We saw a little refresh there that quickly, but Kubernetes is trying to recover that pretty fast for us, OpenShift as well. And then the other thing, though, that we can do is understand a little bit more about how OpenShift is aware of the application's health. And so what we can do is we can go ahead and describe, first of all, describe our deployment config. Take a look at that. We can go ahead and actually do an OC get pods, see that at least 4 of these are in a running state from here. And we can actually go and log into one of these. And we'll pick on this one. Go into batch. Warning us that it's going to deprecate that pretty soon. Definitely want to make sure that you are on the pod node. You run this pkill command. And what we should be able to do next is we have to catch it. Starts happening pretty fast. It's already back to a running state, but now it's looking at recovering from the issue that we just created for it. And so we see all 4 of these now, right? Already back to a place of health. So that's just a quick look at a few different things that OpenShift provides for us pretty much out of the gate, as far as being able to scale our pods, being able to recover from the pods being deleted, and also being able to start recovering from application health issues.